Let's learn and grow. C. C is for cherries. Let's make it. First, let's make the outline of the cherries and their leaves. Don't worry, if the lines are wiggly, we'll fix them later. Now let's color it. We'll start from the brown on the top, then light green in the leaves. Yellow in these three stems, light and dark green for the shades. On the cherries, we'll start coloring from the edges with red. Leave small white spaces on each cherry. That's the shine. Time to add brown for the darker shades. Now dark blue for even darker shades. Time to mix our colors smoothly. Isn't it amazing? Great job! Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.